Hi, I'm Lydia from BlindsbyPost, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install our pre-assembled Perfect Fit shutters. Here's a few things to bear in mind before you start. So when unpacking your shutter, make sure to keep it upright, as if you don't, this could dislodge the slats. If you're looking for your brackets, they'll be inside the package. If you've got two shutters, it'll be in between the two shutters. And finally, your shutter will arrive larger than the measurements that you've inputted, but don't worry, this is completely normal. How do I know the order or orientation of my panels? We will manufacture your shutters in the same sequence that you ordered them. Each panel has a label on the top to indicate the orientation and the panel or shutter numbers. Each complete shutter will be made up of panels ranging from 1 to 5 panels depending on your width. Depending on the drop of your shutter, you will have 4 or more brackets per panel. If you take a look around your shutter, you will see that you've got 2 bracket holes at the top, 2 at the bottom, and up to 3 on the sides. You will need a credit card or something similar to use as a guide for your top and bottom brackets. If you have new windows or windows with a stiff seal, you might find it tough to push the brackets in. Try applying a tiny amount of lubricant, such as a washing up liquid, to the edge of the brackets before inserting it. You may also find it easier to insert the flat edge of the bracket at an angle, rather than fully straight. Place a credit card or something similar in the corner of your window. Using the card as a guide, slide the brackets behind the window seal. Repeat on all corners, pushing the brackets as far as they'll go. To fit the side brackets, offer the shutter panel up to the fitted brackets. There's no need to click them into place. Mark your window frame with a pencil the same height as your side bracket holes either side of the panel. Remove the panel and insert the side brackets into the penciled locations. Once you have inserted all the required brackets into your window gasket, it's time to connect your shutters. If you are fitting multiple panels, please continue to watch this video and we'll go through this later. Once your brackets are installed, you just need to clip your shutters in. Our shutters have pre-drilled bracket holes to engage with the brackets, so line the bottom up first. Then clip the brackets into these holes. Once clipped in, push the top frame down into the top brackets, ensuring that they also clip in and engage. Finally, clip your side brackets into place. Please note the side brackets can be a little trickier to do. If you find that your shutter panels move slightly left or right during operation, then move your brackets to the outer edges of the holes. This should stop any sideways movement. If your shutter is not engaging with the brackets, then please remeasure your bead depth of the glass to ensure that the correct brackets were ordered. If you are fitting multiple panels on the same piece of glass, you will have an astrogel on some of the panels. An astrogel is an overlapping edge that helps eliminate light gaps between adjoining panels. The overlap will always be the right panel covering the previous left panel. The far left panel will not have an astrogel, and this should always be fitted first. To insert the brackets on multiple panels, use the credit card method to fit the top left and bottom left brackets. Then offer up the first panel, aligning the panel holes and fitted brackets. Using a pencil, mark the window frame with the location of the top right and bottom right brackets. Insert the brackets at the pencil marks and fully fit the first panel. Place the next panel up to the right side of the first panel and mark with a pencil the bracket locations. Insert the brackets and fit the panel. Repeat for all remaining panels. And that's how easy it is to install our Perfect Fit shutters.